Pterodactyl here, and today we're going to talk about these camshafts in these Briggs engines that have the compression release on them that break all the time. This is a common problem with that single cylinder Intech engine. We're going to show you a picture of it. You might have this engine in your tractor, and what it does is you'll hit the key and the engine will try to crank over and it'll stop. And a lot of people think it's the starter, they think it's the battery, and it's not. There's a compression release on the camshaft and it breaks off. And it's a pretty common problem that Briggs & Stratton has. So this one had a compression release that was right here and it's gone, it's missing, it's busted off. So what we did is we went to reorder a new camshaft from Briggs & Stratton, and it won't be available until November of this year. Now we're shooting this video, it's June 2022. It won't be available until November of 2022. So people are like, I need to cut my grass, I want my lawnmower back, and we can't get the part. So what we did is we went on the Interscreen and we went to Fleabay, and there was 240 some listings for this camshaft that's made aftermarket. So I'm thinking, okay, all these camshafts got to be the same. And they come in like a kit form, where they give you the gasket. Well, this is the other one. This is the one I want to show you. We're going to show you that one next. So you get it in kit form, and it comes with a new sump gasket, a couple of crankshaft seals, and a couple of lifters. Some of them have more, some of them will have a valve cover gasket. So I'm thinking these things all got to be the same. Well, they're not. They're not the same. So we bought this one, this kit here, and we installed it in the engine. And look, it's stripped out immediately. Look at that. So I guess they're not all the same. Just stripped out, and it broke the compression release immediately. Cranked it like one time, it tried to fire, and then that was it. It wouldn't do nothing. So I guess they're not all the same. So contacted the seller, sent them pictures of it. They refunded my money. So another thing I noticed with this kit is this gasket is kind of thick. Now, the standard Briggs gasket, and here's the part number for that engine, is supposed to be 15 thousandths thick. Now, this is the gasket that we used because I didn't want to use this gasket. This is the gasket we used when we reassembled the engine with that faulty one. And you'll see with my calipers here. Come on, calipers. That it's 15 thousandths thick. Let me put my spectacles on so I can see. Yeah, see, it's 15 thousandths. This one that came in this kit is zeroed out. Is about 33 thousandths. So it's over twice as thick as the standard one, which you're supposed to use, which is 15 thousandths. So what that's going to do, that's going to give you more end play. When you pull on the end of the crankshaft, that's going to give you more end play. Now this engine calls for between 2 thousandths and 23 thousandths end play. So this would have been out of spec had we had used this gasket. So this is garbage. Another thing we noticed in the kit, it came with the seals, with 2 crank seals. Now we used the one crank seal because it was identical to the OEM one. Even though this kit is made in China, it says right on the box, somewhere on here, made in China. So again, we need a camshaft. We got to get this customer's mower going again. So I went back on Fleabay and bought another kit. Now this time, I looked a little closer at the kits, and this seller had 100% feedback and had sold over 240 of these camshafts. So there's got to be a difference in quality of these things, obviously. I'm thinking they're all rolling out of the same factory, but I guess they're rolling out of different places. So this gasket feels a little thinner. So let's mic out this one and see. All right, this one's a little over 20 thousandths, so it's about 5 thousandths heavier. About 22 thousandths thick. So 6 or 7 thousandths thicker, which is again going to add a little bit more end play. We're going to go with the OEM Briggs gasket. So this is stuff you need to be aware of. The thickness of this valve cover gasket doesn't matter. But that's nice that they did give you a valve cover gasket. So let's look at this camshaft. Again, it comes with the lifters and the seals. Now this is another thing I noticed. This seal, this is the Briggs OEM seal, made in the US it says on there, unless the bag is made in the US. This seal has the exact same numbers stamped on it. So these are either the exact same seals or they're knocking this thing off so close that they're even adding the same number. But I think it's the exact same seal. I don't think this is a knockoff seal. All right, let's take a close look at these camshafts. Now this is the second one we purchased. Same crappy Briggs & Stratton cheap design where it's all press fit together. Now years ago, they used to make these camshafts out of cast iron. This would be a cast iron camshaft, and then they would have to machine the teeth on it and the lobes. Now they went to this cheap press fit design. And these things break all the time. So let's take a look. So here's the OEM Briggs one. It's got the exact same stamped number in it. And then on the lobes, they got numbers 776. Same 776 that's on this one. Same with this one that failed immediately, 579. And here's the lobe that's stripped off. It's got that 776. Now, this little pin moves in here, but what's going to happen is when you bolt this all back together, the sump cover is going to kind of hold this from coming through like that. It's going to hold it down. But you are going to have a little bit of end play, so it's going to move a little bit. What else? I think I threw away the one that was on here. But there's a little letter J on there, which is what's on this one too. Now last year, we had the same problem. We had a mower come in that needed a camshaft in the early spring, April or May, and we went to order a Briggs cam, and they didn't have any. Again, they weren't gonna be available, it said, until June. Same problem. People want their mowers back. They want them fixed. Well, can't fix it if you can't get the part. So we went on Fleabay last year and bought one of these kits. And we made a note on the customer's bill that we had put this aftermarket kit in it just in case it failed and it came back. We knew that it had this cheap kit in it. So we wanted to make sure that, this thing was going to hold up. Well, that was last year. We haven't heard back. That mower hasn't been in yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to install this kit. We're gonna install this kit now, this second one. Now this is a lot of labor and a lot of messing around trying to get this junk box store mower back together. That's why all this stuff is becoming throwaway. Because of the labor time and stuff to fix this garbage that they're turning out. They just want you to throw it away and go buy another one. So we're gonna stick this one in that motor again and see if it's gonna run, and we're gonna show you. So you out there, you grass rats, I want you to be the judge. Are you being scammed? Are we being scammed here? Is this Briggs and Stratton camshaft? Is this coming out of the same factory in China as these, and they're just selling them on the side? Maybe this one, you know, just slipped through the cracks. Maybe this one came out of the same factory as this one, but this one just, you know, tolerances or something, I don't know. Well, we're gonna put it together and we're gonna find out if it's gonna work and how long it's gonna last. Well, this is the second camshaft that we've got installed in this POF Briggs and Stratton, and let's fire it up, fire it up. Let me crank it again. Purring like a kitten. So again, you grass rats, you be the judge on this. Is it the same as the one that Briggs and Stratton is having made, or are we being scammed with this scamshaft? It works in this one, so we'll make a note on the ticket to know that we put this scamshaft in there. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. I'm Taryl, putting in the scamshafts. Follow me with your scamshafts on Facebook and Instagram. Go to our web store. We got all kinds of stuff there, but we don't have those scamshafts. And as always, there's your dinner. Woo! Scamshaft! Got her working again. Is it OEM? Is it coming out of the same factory? Coming out of the same country? You be the judge, jury, and executioner.